with jubilation. From every village lights the fire, and a new celebration. Tribes gather, colors fly, drums call loud. The hornbill leads us beneath the very proud. From forest slopes and winding hills, the Naga tribes begin to sing. Hornbills call, new hopes take wing. From December's first sunrise till the 10th sweet night, we dance, we sing beneath the world's wide light. A festival of festivals where cultures blend and grow. Nagaland welcomes the guests who come from far and low. Songs of warriors, harvest joy, ancient lore. Feathers and shawls in every proud outdoor. The world comes closer on this festive ground. In unity and peace, new friendships are found. Feathers shining bright as old songs rise. Harvest stories, laughter fills the air. Unity in every tribe's embrace, for custom shared beyond compare. Night falls, but the festival's light endures. New friendships bloom as music plays from distant lands. The world comes near, celebrating Nagaland's vibrant days. Hornbills soaring high, spirit of our land. Your flight brings hope as we join hand in hand. Folk music, crafts, laughter and games. Nagaland's beauty the world proclaims.